What is the accuracy range offered by Very High Frequency Omnidirectional Range? A. 50 m, B. 60 m, C. 80 m, D. 90 m. The correct answer is 90 m. Which among the following is essential for geolocation using IP address? A. Database of registration lifetime of IP packets. B. Database of IP addresses. C. Database of routing path. D. Database of port address. The correct answer is Database of IP addresses. What is the parameter which differentiates LORAN B from LORAN A? A. Method of extraction of timing. B. Number of receivers. C. Number of transmitters. D. Determination of station location. The correct answer is method of extraction of timing. Which among the following techniques were employed for the identification of pairs in LORAN stations? A. Modulation technique. B. Encoding scheme. C. Phase comparison between signals. D. Pulse repetition frequency. The correct answer is pulse repetition frequency. Which among the following are sources for constructing an IP database? A. Network routing information. B. Data mining. C. Regional Internet Registry. D. Data scrubbing. The correct answer is data scrubbing. Which among the following is an application of geolocation software? A. Regional licensing. B. Firewall. C. Address translation. D. Diagnostic tools. The correct answer is regional licensing. Which among the following is used to determine the position of an aircraft using Very High Frequency Omnidirectional Range VOR? A. Round trip time of a radial from a single VOR station. B. Intersection of radials from a single VOR station in different directions. C. Intersection of radials from a single VOR station with a delay between the signals. D. Intersection of radials from two different VOR stations. The correct answer is intersection of radials from two different VOR stations. Which among the following techniques is employed in long-range navigation LORAN? A. Round trip time of a radio pulse. B. Time difference between two radio pulses. C. Phase difference between two continuous signals. D. Phase difference between the transmitter and the receiver. The correct answer is time difference between two radio pulses. Very High Frequency Omnidirectional Range begins with transmission of frequency modulated signal. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Which among the following statements is false about a Very High Frequency Omnidirectional Range VOR? A. VOR is a radio navigation system for aircrafts. B. The frequency range of VOR is 108.00 to 117.95 MHz. C. VOR is intolerant of diffraction. D. VOR signals show more accuracy than non-directional radio beacon. The correct answer is VOR is intolerant of diffraction.